Hey, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Twitter account private, ensuring that only the people you want can see your tweets and videos. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your Twitter app or website. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture. Click on that to get started. Now, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile name and picture. Go ahead and click on Profile. This will take you to your profile page where all your tweets are displayed. Next, we want to access the settings. Look for the three dots or the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where the magic happens. Now, in the Settings menu, you'll see several options. Find and click on Privacy and Safety. This section allows you to control who can see your content. Under the privacy settings, look for audience and tagging. This is where you can manage your audience preferences. Click on it. Finally, you'll see two options: protect your tweets and protect your videos. Make sure to turn off both of these options. By doing this, your tweets and videos will be hidden from anyone who isn't following you. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.